Hello everyone, so now we are going to make a geode cake. Geode cake with pineapple flavor. So for pineapple flavor, I have taken over here vanilla sponge. So we are going to demold our cake with the help of palette knife. Okay. We are just going to remove the butter paper from the down part and we are going to cut. So cutting process, I have told you, you have to cut a small portion from the top to level the cake. Okay, and we are going to take our first layer from here. Just insert your bread knife, keep your bread knife straight and just straight back, straight back, straight back, straight back. Okay, done. Now again over here I am going to take my second layer and I'm going to cut for straight back, straight back, straight back, straight back. Got it everyone? So now I am going to soak with the normal water. Okay, I am not going to add sugar syrup. So soak from all the four sides and then go in the middle portion. Now we are going to add a small amount of whipping cream on the top. Okay. We are going to spread slowly and cover all the sides. Done. We are going to add pineapple crush over here. Okay, and we are going to spread. We are going to take our topmost portion and we are going to soak with the normal water. We are going to use whipping cream on the top. So you can directly pour crush over here, or you can just do like this way. So here the crush will be go into the cream also and into your sponge also. Okay, two way. So add 2 tablespoons of crush when you are doing this type of thing and spread it out. So आपका जो crush है वो base में भी जाएगा और cream में भी जाएगा, ठीक है? And now I am going to place my topmost portion of the cake. Done. Now I am just going to do the leveling parts from the side. Now we are going to soak the topmost portion also. This is going to spread. Now here we are going to cover our cake. And we are going to serve our sides. We are going to cover sides. So now here I am going to take scraper. Here I am going to level with the scraper. Just going to do the leveling part. So now we are going to place this cake on our board. Now we are making geode cake, so we are going to cut this much portion of your cake. Okay. To give the geode effect. So we are going to apply cream over here. We are going to take a granulated sugar. So we are just added a liquid yellow color and we are just going to mix this granulated sugar. So now we have taken our granulated sugar and just we are going to put on the top. So now here we have taken an open star nozzle. Okay. We are just going to add 2-3 drops of color into our piping bag and just do like this way, and we are going to add whipping cream into our piping bag. Just press it, leave it, 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 press it, leave it. Now here we are going to use golden sugar balls, okay, and just we are going to place it on the top. Done. So our simple pot geode cake is ready with pineapple flavor. So thank you so much for watching geode cake with pineapple flavor. It's very easy and very unique technique. So do make and share it on our WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for watching.